Everybody, thanks for watching. And just a quick reminder that Zodiac Body Volume 2 is now available. Make sure you guys check that out. The 3-part video, it's like over 2 hours each video. Debating the Bible is also available. Make sure you guys check that out. Quick update on books. We are in our final books being shipped out. So anybody that's waiting for it, a lot of you guys will get tracking numbers. Some of you won't, but we shipped out the rest of those books. So they are going out. Just give it, a few days. You guys will be receiving them in the mail. And, when you get your books, everybody who ordered, who has been waiting for a long time, on your receipt, you will see a number. So make sure you guys keep those receipts with those random numbers on it so you guys can use it, because the next book, everybody who's been waiting, been patient, I appreciate it. You guys will get the next book for free. Just we know who you guys are already, so that number will correspond to your name and address. So hold on to it. So when the next book releases, for whatever reason, if you don't receive it, you'll have that number so we can make sure we get the book out. But we already know who you guys are. You guys will be receiving the next book free for your patience and support, and I appreciate it. So make sure you guys keep those receipts. Also, since those books are going out, all books are available right now. So just you guys got to give it at least 3 to about 12 days to receive it. It's really dependent on your location. But yeah, all books are now available at Podia. So go there, check it out. It's not going to be up for a long time. So make sure you grab books if you want one, because as soon as we hit a certain number, it's going to be taken down. As I said, somebody dropped the ball on it before, and it was about 20 to 40,000 books. And I'm shocked that people ordered so many books. I'm not even going to lie. It was just, we were overwhelmed with thousands and thousands of books. And so was the publisher. And he had people quit on him, as I talked about in the video before. And it was just a lot. It's a crazy process. And this is why, we'll make sure you guys get the next book free that's been waiting. And, it's a process. And I appreciate you guys' support. Stuff happens. But on the good things, good information. So now, start now, and every Friday there will be a new video. Every single Friday. There's going to be a brand new video. YouTube, Merkabah Academy, you'll see it. And there will be videos that'll be specifically on Merkabah Academy. Podcast is coming. And also, I talked about the app. The app is done. We're just tweaking it and getting it ready to be put out. And I talked about how the businesses, you guys are going to have this space on there. We're getting that ready. So you guys will receive emails from me about this. And if you have a business online or what have you that you want featured, make sure you send me an email. So for my Never Pay Again members, I know the Conscious Courses section, as I said, it's been under construction. It's back up right now. So you'll see the new video is right there. And then it will be the last, basically the last 9 videos is going to be there. And then the next page is being done. So right now you can go and you can see the video online for Never Pay Again members. And for Merkabah Academy Pro members, you can see the new video. It's up there, Zodiac Body 2. And then the last 9 videos basically is up. And then on the next page, you'll be able to download every single video on that next page. You'll see it once it's finished. But for right now, you can see the last 9 videos, and then you'll see the once it's complete, the rest of the videos you'll be able to download them all. So appreciate your patience on that whole process. The people who's been waiting for it to be fixed, but it's good right now. So it's been a lot going on. Roe versus Wade being overturned. Just what's happening. You can't talk about nothing now. I mean, and I told you guys this would happen. You can't mention anything. And if you do, like I said, they're not just taking people money, demonetizing their channel. They're taking their entire channel down, deleting their videos, so on and so forth. And it's, like I said, it's going to come to that point, which is the point of Merkabah Academy. And the reason why, the situation happened, and we'll get into the Merkabah Academy Pro membership, because that's important, because now they're getting you on bandwidth. I talked about this before and put out that information where once you get a large following, it's going to be hard for you to not be generating money to pay for that amount of people to be on your site. So that's what that's about. So again, something that I knew they would possibly do, which is the reason for everything. Any digital downloads or what have you, memberships, whatever you bought, all goes into keeping this stuff going because it takes money. I mean, anybody who does this, if you're a content creator, you understand just getting everything together is a lot. It's one of the reasons why I've always done solo videos, because just having a team or having somebody that's going to be involved with that production, it's a lot. It's a lot of different heads and energies and people wanting certain things, and it's a lot to deal with. So, it's not me taking advantage of having information or what have you. It's just something that we're all in this together, and it's what it takes. And it's what it takes to get this out and to have, what we have. And I appreciate, as I always say, everybody's support since, the beginning, over a decade of putting out videos, before people were getting paid to do so. But now these people came and, they're snatching up, they're censoring everything. It's tough. And I constantly get emails from them. And even more so, you're seeing it on Instagram, stuff that I put up, months ago, over a year ago, being taken down. And it's what's happening. So most of the topics, I got into a lot. It's a lot of stuff we're going to get into. And some videos will be tailored for YouTube. But the stuff I can't say here will be on Merkabah Academy. So, it will be, for, of course, members. A lot of videos, you just need to just make sure you register before you do anything. So I talked about Merkabah Academy Pro that will be available after the 1st. So a lot of you guys who got the emails, if you was a member for a long time, you're able to take advantage of that now. If you registered long ago, sent the email out a while ago. So you guys can take advantage of it now. But after the 1st, it'll be available. I don't have, millions and millions of dollars to afford one of these, all the equipment that goes into handling this situation. There's alternative ways of doing stuff, which we're working on now. And, it's the reason for the change that just occurred. But, I can only host but so much and have so much space and incur so much bandwidth before the, everything gets taken down. They were smart in what they did with this whole process with the internet, them controlling everything. And then we have regulations. So a lot of companies are not going to allow certain things without, they're telling you money. So they don't really care about what you're saying as long as you can afford to pay for it. And that's what it's coming down to. And you got people who can't afford $400 a month or, $5,000 a month or $5,000 a year and so on and so forth to, be able to incur the amount of bandwidth increases that's going to possibly take place when you get a certain amount of people. So I can only imagine for anybody that's in the millions of followers or just the bandwidth alone for YouTube, like how they're able to handle that. It's millions of dollars. But we'll get into all this. There'll be a new video posted on Tuesday on Merkabah Academy, only on Merkabah Academy. But every Friday, there will be a new video on YouTube and Merkabah Academy. So make sure you guys register. If you become a member or what have you, whatever member you become, we can't really, do anything with your account unless you're registered. A lot of you guys have never paid a membership, but your email is messed up or what have you. So you gotta make sure your emails is corresponding with your account or what have you, or just send us an email if it's different so we can know who you are. It's the only way we can know who you are to update your account. So a lot of people are waiting to be verified or what have you, but it's because your email either has too many, it's filled and we can't send you any more messages. So you need to check that. Or it's different from the email you paid with. So that's important. But wanted to put this out real quick, just quick information to keep you guys up to date on what's going on. Make sure you check out Zodiac Body 1 and 2 and look Tuesday for the new video on Merkabah Academy. And every Friday, it will be a new video. And all books are available. Take advantage now before they sell out. See you guys next video. Thanks for watching.